everybody, today I'm going to make an oatmeal. I'm going to show you how I do my oatmeal. I'm going to use this, you can barely see it, it's called anise, okay, anise seed. Okay, so I'm going to use like a teaspoon in there. I'm going to throw it in there, and I'm going to use some cloves. So there's about 7 here. I'm going to throw that in there. I just have like 2 cups of water inside here first, and I'm going to boil that up for maybe 7 minutes, and then we'll go to the next step. Okay, so once the 7 minutes pass, so now what we're going to do, we're going to grab one of these little things and just start scraping off all the stuff that we put in there. Alright, all done. Now I have 2 cups of oatmeal here. It's the whole oatmeal. As you can see, they're the big ones, not the tiny flakes. These are the big flakes. So I'm going to pour that in there, and you're going to add your milk, whichever one you use, coconut, almond, whichever one. I have 2 cups here. I'm going to add at least 5 cups. Okay, that's 4 and 5. Now the sweetener is your choice. You can use any sweetener. I'm just going to use regular sugar, 1 tablespoon, about 4. Okay, and then you can taste it if it's sweet enough for you, or if you want more sugar, it's your choice. Then stir this up. Once it's going to come to boil, you're going to lower the heat to medium so your milk doesn't overflow. It's perfect for me. I don't need no more sugar, so it's perfect. Now I'm going to wait until this comes to boil. Alright, once you see it boiling, right away put the heat down to 1 number less than medium, and this should cook very nicely. It does not take that long. This will be maybe about 5 minutes to boil, and that's it. 5 to 7 minutes, and then we turn it off and serve. It's a very, very easy recipe for breakfast, and very tasty with the cloves. Sometimes I've used lemongrass as well. And if you love cinnamon, you can also add a cinnamon stick and let it boil together. It adds up more flavor. Alright, so once this boils for 7 minutes, I'll serve. Alright, my friends, so that's all to it. Very simple, very easy oatmeal the way I make it. And I hope you like it, and try it out and let me know how it comes out for you. Subscribe if you're new, and hope to see you in the next video. Bye!